Guys, I'm back again. This is Oraimo ambient light and lamp. It's two in one. I will show you that after. Then it's this is Corner Glow model number. It is ODL-201A. I have already done a review of ODL-201A. If you haven't watched that video, you can first check on this link above. So let me show you this. Why is it called ambient light? All right, it's a more of desktop light. Let's proceed and we do a quick unboxing, then and a short review on this. All right. Top of the charts is a national story. Yeah. The ones who were with me are with me for glory. R.I.P. to the face, y'all. Looking so sorry. It's probably why you stay stuck in your category. Team on a mission, got visions. Okay guys, so again, this is what you find in the box. We have this welcome guide, then we come with it comes with this type C USB, which is one of the current and which is one of the best. Then it is supported by 5 volts and 1 amp, meaning 1 amp that is roughly like 3 watts. It doesn't consume, it's an energy saver even if you forget it on the charge. So if you can go ahead and you check through this if you're someone who wants to know how to proceed with other things. So let's proceed with this. So as you can see, this one can be, see, you can change it and you put it anywhere you want, you can see. So it's more of desktop if you're interested in some, and one of such lights that you can use in your office. This can work for you. See, from here, if you touch, it is 2 in 1. As you can see, if you touch here, either you can use this or you can use this. This is a touch button. It has also a glowing light that can change from to a million colors. So also once you long press, you can increase or you can reduce. Move or Oraimo Tech was given same, they have all same instructions, right? Yeah, so that is it. That is how you can operate this. If you're interested to have this in your office, you can go ahead and you buy this. Then this one, on my side, I think this wasn't much necessary, because if you're someone who is interested in such growing light, you can go ahead and you buy this kind of this type. This is one of the best. This is the ODL-201A that I was talking about. This is the best for this light. Yeah, but this is good for only desktop. For me, I prefer it when you are using only this side. Okay guys, yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.